find out how many there are. So let's go ahead and watch the video first.
What does this picture show? A tray with strawberries. How many strawberries are there?
10.
Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 strawberries on the tray. What does this tray show? This tray also shows strawberries. How many strawberries are on this tray?
How many? 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 strawberries on this tray.
Right.
How is this tray like the one you saw before?
They're both trays, they both have strawberries, and they both have 10 strawberries.
Okay.
Both trays show 10 strawberries. What does this tray show? This tray also shows strawberries. How many strawberries are on this tray?
Are there 10 on that tray? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's count to find out.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 strawberries on this tray. How is this tray like the two you saw before it?
They have 10, right? 10 strawberries. They all look a little different, but when you count them, there are 10.
It shows the same number of strawberries. Does changing the arrangement or order of the strawberries change the number of strawberries? No. All of the trays still have 10 strawberries. How can you check your answer?
By counting them. We can also make a little mark on each strawberry if you need to, if you're having trouble making sure you're counting each one.
Count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of the trays have 10 strawberries. Now you know that the arrangement or order of objects can change without the number of objects changing.
All right, now make sure your name is on the top of your paper there. And your paper should look like this paper. Okay. So let's listen first, and then we will do the problem together.
You have 13 cherries on a tray. Your partner has 11 cherries on a tray. How can you show this? Use counters to show the cherries on the trays, and then draw the pictures. How can you tell that your drawings are correct?
Okay, first, how many cherries do you have on your tray? 13. So on the first tray, you are going to draw 13 counters. So as you draw your counters, as you draw your circles, count them to make sure there's 13. Go ahead and get started. Okay, just counters. Okay, see that 13 counters on the first tray, or cherries. How many does your partner have? in circles. So now, how can you tell that your drawings are correct? You counted them, you drew them. You can also recheck to make sure that you drew the correct number. So we can count this first tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 on this tray, right? I know, I was trying to touch them and it didn't really come out. Let's count the next tray, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did I draw 11?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you can check yours. And once you check your trays, then you can turn to the next page. There we go. Wasn't working. You do not need to draw the numbers, no.
It's a roll like that.
Yep, you should have the video we just watched on your paper. And you turn. God bless you. So turn it one time so you see the video we just watched. And once you're on this page, I will know when to start. Okay, you turn to the next page, can you next? One page and then you'll see the video. The top there. Remember from the video, there were different ways to draw 10 strawberries, but each tray had 10 strawberries. Let's look down at number 1. You're going to circle the tray with 6 strawberries. So it's already mostly done for you, because you see the dotted line. But double check, which one has 6? This one looks like it has a lot more than 6, doesn't it? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6. I wonder how many are on this tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
No, 15.
So we want to circle the tray that has 6. So put a circle around the tray that has 6. And then look at number 2. Draw a circle around the tray with 9 strawberries. Remember, you can put a little mark on them if it's hard to count when it goes in a circle. So you remember which one you started with. So we're circling the tray that has 9 strawberries. I'm going to come out and see if we circle the tray with 9 strawberries. Very good. Circle the tray with 9 strawberries. Awesome. Wonderful. Okay, now you can just flip your paper to the next page.
Flip it right over.
Flip it right over.
Just gotta.
And you will see this on your paper.
Ooh, circle one. Ladybugs. Those are not ladybugs. Those are dots.
Okay, give me 5. We should not be talking or yelling out. We should be waiting for directions. Thank you. Okay, number 3. Draw a circle around the tray with 18 strawberries. So let's count them together. Let's do this page we're doing together, and the last page we will do on our own. So let's count these together. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We said 18 strawberries, so we know this is 18. You can count the other tray just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No,
Last time.
that'll help check your answer. You count both trays. Then look down at number 4. Draw a circle around the groups with 15 bugs. Now I said groups. There's an S at the end of group. So that means we need to circle more than one group, right? So we have to count 15 ladybugs. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Does that have 15?
Yes.
Circle it. Come to the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't circle it. Now let's start the next one. You can make a little mark on them so you know which one you started at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're circling both groups.
We're circling a circle.
We are circling a circle. And then let's move down to the bananas. If you have something to add, please raise your hand, and I will be happy to call on you. Okay, number 5. Draw a circle around the groups with 4 bananas. Once again, it said groups, so it means you're going to put a circle around more than one. More than one group has 4 bananas, so circle the groups that have 4 bananas. There's more than one to circle because I said groups. Come on, see? Okay, there's more than one group. So we say groups that have 4. You're gonna need to circle 2 groups. Excellent. Wonderful job. So everybody circle this group because it has 4. And they circle this group that has 4. The next group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't need to circle it. Okay, number 6. Okay, what we have to do is count the bugs in the groups. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 bugs there. I need to make a total of 20 bugs. So I need to make more circles. We're just going to do counters today to make 20 total. So if I have 12, I say 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many more bugs did I draw? How many more bugs did I draw? No? No? Remember we started with 12 bugs here, and let's make more to make 20. How many more did we draw? Isla. How many more bugs did I draw here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had to draw 8 bugs. Because this makes a total of 20, right? When we count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now there's 20 there all together. So make sure you drew 8 bugs. Or 8 circles, 8 counters. When you drew 8 counters, please turn to the last page so I know you're ready.
This is going fast. It has 4
You
digits.
got 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. You get to draw 8.
7, 8. So 2. No, you're
Excuse me. Some friends are still working and need to concentrate. Okay, turn to the last page then. Okay, number 7. Look at the oranges. Draw a circle around the tray with 6 oranges. You're doing this one on your own. So count the oranges, draw a circle around the tray with 6 oranges. The last page and look to the back. Okay, circle the tray with 6 oranges. Okay, number 8. Draw a circle around the flower with 8 petals. So count the petals and circle the flower with 8 petals. 8 petals. Circle the flower with 8 petals. Very good. I see friends going back and checking to make sure they're recounting. They're making marks to make sure they counted the petals correctly. Good job. Okay, for number 9, draw a circle around the flags. Flags. That means more than one. Flags. With 10 stars. Okay, thumbs up if you're ready. Another minute. Okay, we're circling the flags. Stop. So there's more than one that you have to circle, Georgia. When I say flags, I mean more than one. You're going to find 2 flags that have 10 stars. When I say flags, I mean more than one. So you're circling, so count to make sure that you circle all the flags with 10 stars. Okay, for the last one, you're going to draw 19 strawberries or counters, just circles, in 2 different ways. So if you remember back to the video, they showed strawberries in different ways on the trays. Each tray had 10 strawberries. You're going to do the same thing, but you're going to draw 19 circles or counters in 2 different ways. So each tray should have 19 counters, but 2 different ways. Show it in 2 different ways. They should be in a different order, a different arrangement.